Hey guys, it's Trip with IFT, and I want to pop in to share a new service live on IFT today, Pipedrive. Let's check it out. Now, with IFT, Pipedrive connects with almost 800 other services on the internet. That includes MailChimp, Google Sheets, Gmail, Slack, ClickUp, Asana, Trello. So there's a lot of really cool things you can do. For example, send Slack messages for new Pipedrive deals. So if your team runs off of Slack, you want to notify those team members. You can also connect Pipedrive with your task management tools. Whenever a new deal is entered into Pipedrive, then you can add a new task on your task management tool. Another really good one is if you have any lead forms like Typeform, Google Forms, you create new deals whenever someone submits a form on your website. Again, Pipedrive is a really cool tool for sales teams. Get started automating your whole sales process with IFT. Thanks, guys.